In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that uses a checklist you name, so you can standardize repeatable tasks and keep your workflow consistent without extra effort. Start by opening the automation area in your workspace. Click on automation to get to the tools that handle actions and triggers. This is where you'll centralize logic that runs behind the scenes, saving you time on routine follow-ups and quality checks. Once you're in, head into rules. Rules are the heart of automation. Each one listens for something to happen and then performs actions in response. Clicking rules brings up the place where all your existing automations live and where new ones are created. Now click Create Automation to start fresh. This opens a new blank rule. You're setting the framework here, so keep the goal in mind. You want this rule to interact with a checklist, which is great for ensuring steps are consistently followed. Next, click Add Trigger. A trigger defines when your rule should run. Think of it as the when for your automation. Choosing the right trigger gives you precise timing and control, reducing noise and ensuring the rule fires only when needed. From the available options, click Checklist. You're telling the system this automation will revolve around a checklist event or a checklist entity. When prompted to name it, type Checklist 1. Giving it a clear, simple name helps you find and reuse it later, especially if you plan to build more rules or share them with your team. Then click the plus sign. This confirms the creation or inclusion of that checklist in the automation builder. It's a quick way to lock in your choice and move forward without losing your place or settings. Click on Checklists again to return to the list and make sure everything is set correctly. This lets you verify that your newly added checklist is visible and selectable within your automation context. Now click on Checklist 1. Opening it here ensures the rule is referencing the exact checklist you just named. Consistency matters, especially if you manage multiple templates or similar processes. Finally, click on Settings, then click Done. In Settings, review any available options so the checklist behaves the way you expect, such as naming conventions or default behaviors. Clicking Done saves your configuration and closes the setup. At this point, your automation referencing Checklist 1 is configured. If your workspace shows a summary, take a quick look to confirm the trigger and checklist match your intent. That's it. Your checklist-driven automation is ready to streamline your workflow.